Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how you can add your social media links to your Facebook profile, especially in Instagram. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. So I am going to show you how to do this in Android version. So iPhone version also similar. I use Android emulator for your easy understanding and guidance. So follow my mouse pointer. First you need to log into your account. Now I am currently in my account. Then after you can see the left top corner, you can see your profile icon. Just tap on your profile. Then you need to scroll down a little bit. Then you can see there's an option called edit profile here. Just tap on it. You can change your profile picture here, and you can add your avatar, and you can change cover photo and bio information and details of your profile. Scroll down, keep. Then you can see finally the bottom of this page. You can see there's option called links, and there is another option called add. Just tap on that add button. Okay, it will redirect you to this page. There are two options here: social links and website. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add your social links. So to add your social link, just tap on add social link here, and you need to again select the platform. So just tap on platform here. There are a lot of platforms you can see we can add for this Facebook account. So in this tutorial I am going to add Instagram. So just tap on Instagram here. Then after you need to enter your username of your Instagram account. As an example, if your username of Instagram is ABC, just type that name, and then you can see it is added to your social link as a social link for here. You can add whatever times you liked social media links. Just again tap on here and tap on platform, and you can add Twitter also. Just tap on that name. You can see that yes, you can see that also added successfully. If you don't need that account, you just tap on remove here, then it will be removed. After changing that information, you can change the visibility of that social links. Currently it is set as only me. Just tap on it. You can change it to friends or public. I like to change it to friends. Just tap on friends. No, I like to change it as public right now. Just tap on public, and then after doing all the changes, you can just tap on save. Alright, now it is saved. You can see in the link section Instagram account successfully added. Go back again. Okay. Yeah, you can see the Instagram account is added successfully. If you just tap on this account, you can go to the Instagram account. So currently it is not working because this is a dummy account. So if you added correctly your Instagram account, you can just tap on here and you can go to your Instagram account. So this is how you can add social media links in your Facebook account. So if you get some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and liking the video. I will see you soon in this kind of informational video. So goodbye.